Good morning everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Okay, I'm at Disneyland. It's Tuesday, so there's gonna be new merch and new pin drop. So we're gonna go check things out and let's go have some magical morning at Disneyland. If you like Disney content, definitely follow me over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know the time and day I release my video. So when you come in the morning like this is about 9:20 in the morning. The character will be just wandering around in the park and taking photo. Look at Chip is right there in his Christmas outfit. Super adorable. Okay, so our goal is to check out merch because for us, early in the morning is a perfect time to do some merch checking because most of the people are going for the ride, not the merch. So let's go. Whoa, you got some cool stuff here. That one is good. And this is good. Oh, that's cute too. Okay, let's trade something. So I trade this too. Oh, that's cute. Very, very cute. Yes, let's go. Check out the inside the store, see what I have. Whoa. This, I don't know what that is. But that's kind of cool. And then there's a princess. I just traded this too. Not sure if this one's real, but it looks really cool. It looks to me it's Sanderson sister. So now they have a special discount, 30% off the Disney 100 item, and we believe it's this right here. So they have 30% off. And if you have a magic key, you get another discount. Wow, that tells you nobody's buying this. Kind of sad though. It's really pretty. Look at that. So they have pink. How much is the pink? Pink is $17. Wow, that's really a good deal. And this is the brand new mystery box. They are really cute. Wow, I like those. Look at that. And they are $19.99. Hey, so far so good because we were able to get some decent pins. Now let's go to Emporium to see what's new. Holiday lighter ornament headband, $20. Oh my gosh, that's a good deal, $20. So let's check out my favorite store here. Good morning.
Good morning, my friend.
Oh, you have a good pink this morning.
I know.
This one's good. That's cool. Wow, decent. Okay, let's trade some pins. Hold on.
I'm gonna start my trivia.
Okay.
So
Yay.
if you want trivia, because of him, I got the good pin.
Thank you so much. This is nice. So I'm actually looking for 2024 merch. I know they're here. I don't know where it is. So let's keep on looking. So this is the 78. After 30%, it's $25 off. Wow, that's a really good deal. Okay, I found it. So this is the first one. Mickey Mouse 2024. Oh, it's cool. They have an orange bird here. Playing in the back. Oh, kind of like it. How much is this? $54.99. And then they have this dyed color t-shirt, long sleeve with Mickey and a different character around it. And they also have the soap, Mickey Mouse soap. And then look at this t-shirt. Okay. Very colorful, 2024. So it's good things you can buy this and wear this for the whole year. Whoa, $64.99. And then there is what is this? Picture framed. Another picture frame. And there's a crossbody messenger bag. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. So I feel like 2024 collection is very vibrant colors. A lot of illustrations on here. What do you think about this? Are you ready for 2024? And there's a little kids one right here. So to me, that's their logo now for 2024. Okay, I'm pretty impressed for the pen trading today. I got quite a few in just first 3 stores. Let's try the Plaza Point and see if we can get something nice too. Okay, never mind. They took the pen boards away, so no pen boards. Okay, let's walk around. So what else happening here? Morning. Check out the pins here. All right, thank you. If you like Disney content, definitely follow me here. Turn on notification bell so you know the time and day we release our video. We do Disney a couple times a week, and a lot of time Uncle Don will come with me, so it'll be really fun. We show you different things here. The goal for our channel is really to take you along with us at Disney, because we know not everybody is lucky as we are can come here on a regular basis. So we want to bring the joy, the magic to your home too. We're coming to Frontierland now to check out the pin trading table. Okay, I can't believe they actually have the tables here. Let's do this. That's so cool. Like, I can't believe they have a table here. So I guess I can do some pin trading here. Let's just stay for a few minutes and see what happens. So I brought my book here. Let me show you guys. So I brought all this here. And then some of the smaller pins here. So we can chill. And I have a stitch in case people want to trade stitch too. So this is mine, and she's interesting, and we're gonna see what we can find here. Ooh, I actually like this. That's cute. Can we do this one?
Yeah.
Cool, let's do it. Thank you.
You can collect all of them.
Good luck to me.
Yeah.
Mooncast Multitasking Tintin Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.